Every time I take a photo, I say something. I want to say something. So whenever I teach this, I try to make my students understand that before they want to take a picture, they need to understand what they want to say with that picture.
The photography module was my favorite one. I enjoyed the shooting part and it was very fun working in groups, shooting different products and using colors and lights.
It's very important to understand how the visual language works. This is the basis to be able to communicate with the other stakeholder of the project.
I am already working with photography, and this course helped me understand photography on a deeper level.
In this master, the practical part of the course is important because the student can see the working environment. Practice can help them understand so they can then direct either the photographer or the communication agency. The value that Fujifilm brings is the fact that it's a provider of a big variety of cameras. So the students can have the chance to test and try different types of camera and different types of photography.
We had the opportunity to use a medium format Fuji camera. It gave us wonderful results.
The experience in H-Farm College is something that's unique. You enter the H-Farm campus and feel like you're in another world. Students can share their experience with other students from all around the world. They can have contacts with different types of brands. So I think this master can give an experience that in any other environment you can find.